Today we are going to study one more classification of noun, that is the noun number and the rules for changing the noun number. So let's start. The words like boy, tree, these are examples of noun. But what about the words boys, trees? Yes, they are also examples of noun. So with the help of these examples, we can say that a noun can refer to one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. So based on this, let's see one more classification of nouns, that is the noun number. In grammar, the word number refers to the count of a noun. So there are two kinds of numbers. They are singular and plural. So the first one is singular number, a noun that denotes one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, bird, book, girl, etc. Second one, plural number, a number that denotes more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, girls, birds, books, etc. So now we have seen some examples of singular and plural number. For example, the plural of bird is birds, the plural of tree is trees, the plural of book is books. But have you ever heard the plural of child is childs, the plural of man is mans? No, it is not possible because the plural number of child is children, the plural number of man is men. So you can clearly see that it is not possible to just add a letter S to make any noun a plural number. So there are some rules to convert a singular number into a plural number. So let's see how plurals are formed. The first rule is the plural of nouns is generally formed by adding S to the singular form. For example, apple, apples, cow, cows, dog, dogs, pen, pens, etc. Second rule, nouns ending in S, SH, CH or X form the plural by ending ES to the singular. For example, the word class, it ends with the letter S. So we will add ES to make it a plural noun. The answer will be classes. Second, match. Here the ending of singular form is CH. Then what we will add? We will add ES to make it plural. That is matches. Next, the words like brush or dish. The ending of brush and dish is SH. So what we will add? We will add ES to make the plural form of these words. So dish, dishes, brush, brushes. And if we have words like tax or fox, so these words are ending with X. So what we will add here? We will add ES to make the plural form of the words. So the answer for fox is foxes, tax, taxes. Third rule, most nouns ending in O also form the plural by adding ES to the singular. For example, if we have words like potato, so here the singular form is ending with the letter O. So what we will add here? We will add ES and the answer will be potatoes. Similarly, hero, heroes, volcano, volcanoes, mango, mangoes, buffalo, buffaloes. They all are ending in O and so we are adding ES. Fourth, a few nouns ending in O merely add S. For example, photo. The word photo is also ending in O. but here we will not add es, we will add s here. So we will get the answer as photos. Similarly, piano, it has o, but we will add s here. So pianos. Ratio, ratios. Logo, logos. Kilo, kilos. Next rule, nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So we have word lady. So here lady is ending with y, but it has a consonant before y, that is d here. So we will add es, but before that we will change the y into I. So what we will get the answer as ladies, but the spelling will be ladies. Similarly, the plural of city is cities, the plural of army is armies, the plural of baby is babies. Next rule, the nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es. For example, we have a word wife. So this is ending with fe. So what we will do to make it plural, firstly we will remove fe and will change it into v, and then we will add es. So the plural of wife is wives. And if a word is ending in f, then also we have to do the same. For example, the plural of thief is thieves, the plural of wolf is wolves, the plural of calf is calves, and the plural of knife is knives, the plural of leaf is leaves, the plural of life is lives. Other words ending in f or fe add s. For example, the plural of safe is safes, the plural of chief is chiefs, the plural of proof is proofs, the plural of handkerchief is handkerchiefs. We are not adding ves here. Next rule is a few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. For example, the plural of man is men, the plural of foot is feet, the plural of tooth is teeth, the plural of goose is geese, the plural of mouse is mice. In these examples, you can clearly notice that we have just changed the vowel which was present inside the singular form. That is, we have changed A into E, OU into I, double O into double E. Next rule, there are few nouns that form their plural by adding en to its singular form. For example, ox. The plural of ox is oxen. The plural of child is children. So here we are adding en in the ending. Next rule, some nouns have the singular and plural alike. For example, the plural of ship is ship. The plural of deer is deer. The plural of aircraft is aircraft. The plural of spacecraft is spacecraft. The plural of swine is swine. So these were some rules of how plurals are formed. I hope you have understood each and every rule with the conditions. So just revise them again and again.